What to carry when you visit Dubai from India. Planning a trip to Dubai? Here's everything you need to carry for a smooth and enjoyable journey from India. Essential documents: passport, visa, travel insurance, flight tickets, hotel reservations. Ensure you have your passport with a valid visa, travel insurance, flight tickets, and hotel reservations. Keep digital and physical copies for safety. Clothing and accessories: light, breathable clothing, sunglasses, hats, comfortable shoes, swimwear, and a modest outfit. Pack light, breathable clothing for the day, and modest outfits for visiting religious sites. Don't forget sunglasses, hats, comfortable shoes, and swimwear for the beach. Electronics and gadgets: smartphone, charger, power bank, camera, travel adapter. Carry your smartphone, charger, power bank, and a camera for capturing memories. A universal travel adapter is essential for staying connected.